On behalf of my fellow head of security agencies, officers and men of security personnel in Zamfara State, I welcome you to this important press briefing, where I will give you an update regarding to the new security measures implemented by His Excellency, Dr. Mohammed Bello, MON, the Executive Governor of Zamfara State, to address the prevailing security challenges bedeviling the state. You will recall that last week Friday, His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Zamfara State, had announced 7 security measures that will assist in the restoration of lasting peace and security in the state. The police and other security agencies are currently enforcing the order effectively. Many violators were arrested and charged to court to deter others. As a follow-up to the existing security measures, His Excellency, after due consultation with the security agencies and other critical stakeholders, has directed that 1. No movement in and out of all the 13 local government areas of the state from 6 p.m. to 6 p.m. While Gusau, the state capital, will be from 8 p.m. to 6 p.m., commencing from today, Wednesday, 1st September 2021, until further notice. His Excellency further directed all security agencies to ensure total compliance with the new order. Gentlemen of the press, I want to use this opportunity to call on the general public to be law-abiding and cooperate with the government and security agencies in their commitment to curtail the activities of criminal elements so that everybody can sleep with his or her eyes closed. We are equally committed to ensure that violators of this order are made to face the full wrath of the law. Finally, I want to reaffirm that all the security measures taken in the state are in the best interest of the good people of Zamfara State. Okay. Furthermore, I wish to inform the general public that His Excellency, the Executive Governor of Zamfara State, has ordered the closure of all schools within the state. Both primary, secondary schools that are existing here are now closed with immediate effect. Thank you and God bless. It's a threat. You know, the bandits will now like to go back to kidnap all these students. So for their safety, the schools have to be closed until peace is restored in the state. I don't know.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.